Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Mathematics. Today we are going to be solving for angles in a triangle using the exterior angle theorem. And exterior angles are any angles that are outside of the triangle, such as 11x plus 2 and 5x plus 10 and 58 are interior angles. So we know that triangles add up to 180 degrees, their angles, and supplementary angles or linear pairs also add up to 180 degrees. So we have 5x plus 10 plus 58 plus question mark, which stands for this angle right here, equals 180. Over here we have 11x plus 2 plus question mark, again doing for this angle, equals 180 degrees. And what we can conclude is that minus question mark on both equations, we have 5x plus 10 plus 58 equals 180 minus question mark. And same for over here, 11x plus 2 equals 180 minus question mark. So you may be wondering, what does this mean? You just subtracted from both sides. This means that since both of these equations equal the same thing, they both equal 180 degrees minus question mark, that means these are equal. So 5x plus 10 plus 58 equals 11x plus 2. So then if we actually do it, we get 5x plus 68 equals 11x plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. We have 5x plus 66 equals x minus 5x minus 5x, and you get 6x equals 66. Divide both by 6 to get x by itself with no coefficient. X equals 11. And we are trying to solve for angle U. So after all of this, right, so we get x equals 11. So next we want to do 5x plus 10, right? 5x plus 10, 11, since 11 equals x, 5 times 11 plus 10 plus 58, we get 55 plus 68 equals 123. Yeah. So we get 123. So to figure out this missing angle, we get 180 minus 123 equals 57. To check it, we do 11 times 11 plus 2 equals also 123. So we get 121 plus 2 equals 123. Sorry, 123. So as I said before, these two, 5x plus 10 plus 58 equals 11x plus 2. And if we subtract 180 from this again, 123, you also get 57. So our missing angle is 57 degrees. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in to Mathematics. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more clear, concise math explanations. If there's a math problem you'd like me to explain, put it in the comments and I'll work it out in a future video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.